Hey guys, it's CleverKassidy. Today, we're gonna make homemade chicken nuggets just like McDonald's. This is the chicken. This is the black pepper. This is the salt. This is the cornstarch. This is the mustard. This is the onion powder. And this is Dano's seasoning. And flour. We always wear gloves for handling chicken. My dad's gonna cut up the chicken and put it in the food processor. My dad cutted the chicken up and put it in the food processor. Now I'm gonna add the spice. Now I'm gonna run up the food processor. Now that we have the chicken ready, we're gonna make it into a shape of a nugget. CleverKassidy. CleverKassidy.
Make it bigger than that.
Okay. Sorry about that. We took the nuggets out of our freezer. We're gonna dip them into the cornstarch and then dip it into wet batter, and then we're gonna fry them. My dad will do it because hot oil is dangerous. Now they're frying. We let them rest. Now we're gonna fry them the second time. Now we finished making our nuggets. This is what it looks like. I know it looks different than McDonald's, but we're gonna try it. Time to try the nuggets. I'll show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try this piece. Wow, it's so good. Thanks for watching my video of making chicken nuggets. Now, if you have any ideas, put it in the comments. Like and subscribe, share, not a comment, and hit the bell, okay? Bye!